Gafe, Gaffy, Gate, I don't know, with Caleb. All right, let's add some functionality to our class website. First step I want to do, I want to add some hyperlinks here on our home page. So I'm going to click that pencil. I'm going to highlight Mr. Nielsen. I'm going to go up to the link here, click it, and I want to highlight Mr. Nielsen and click OK. All I'm doing is just adding some hyperlinks. So I'm going to repeat the pattern with homework, highlight homework, go to the link, click on homework, highlight it, click OK. And last one is calendar, highlight, link, calendar, right OK. And anytime I change something, I'm going to press that blue save button in the top right corner, click the save button. And now our website has 3 different places to find the homework page. Click here, you can click here, you can click here. Just makes it so easy for students or parents who come to your site to find their way around. The next step I want to do, I want to embed a Google slide presentation into our homework page, and this is going to be a spot where, again, parents or students can come find what has been assigned for the day. To do that, you want to go into your Drive, open up a new tab. You can go to the apps waffle over here and click Drive. I just type Drive into the web address box. And I've already created a folder here for my class website in my school drive. So you can do that by pressing the red new button, make a new folder. You can organize it however you want. Then your class website folder, you want to create a new slide presentation. So again, press the red button. You want Google Slide. And this is what's going to be embedded into our website. Now, I don't like this template that it gives us. I don't want a title and a subtitle. So I'm going to go over to the left, and I'm going to pick a new template by clicking that down arrow by the plus sign. I want a blank template. I'm going to delete the first one. And with this one, you can make it as interesting or as boring as you want. It's your choice. It's your website. Change the background color. And check this out. Here we go, pretty pink. Then I need to add some text in here. And click here at the text box. You can go Insert Text Box. Try to fill up most of the screen with it. Alright, now we can pick a font. Boogaloo sounds cool. Make it big, do 48. Bold, underline, sure. Here I'm going to put Monday, the date August 8th, 2016. This will be our first week of school. We don't have school on this day. Center it a little bit. Alright, then you can put the font a little smaller. I don't want to underline it. Put the subjects that you're going to have homework for. Maybe however you want to do it. Maybe you are just a math teacher. So however you want to organize this, this would work for me. And now I've created a template that I can just copy and paste. So I'm going to copy and paste it 4 more times just to have it for each day of the week. And now all I have to do is, I have to do this right now, because this will always be Tuesday from here on out. Then I got Wednesday. Thursday. And Friday. And I can go back and see what is this going to be, the 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Alright, so what I have now, I have 5 days of the week, a slide for each day. I'm going to change the name. I don't want untitled presentation. You can name yours, class homework. Name mine something to remember to delete it. Now, this is a very important step. You want to make sure, because right now, this is just your own private Google slide presentation. You can put this on your website, and when they go to your website, it's going to be blocked out. It's going to say you don't have permission. So you want to click this blue share button. So go up and click the blue share button, or you're still going to have parents say, I can't load the homework. So right now it says private only to me. That's no good. So clicking that blue share button, I want to share this with everybody. So to do that, I'm going to do advanced. I want to change it. So what I did, go to blue share. I want to go to advanced down here. And right now it says private only you can access it. I want everyone on the internet to be able to see it. Alright, so any parent from any device that they're on can access this. And I'm going to click save. Now, click done. Now, I go up here, public on the web. That's a good thing. We want everybody to be able to see the homework, so there's no excuses. Alright, I'm going to go back to my class website, to the homework page. I'm going to click that pencil. Now I'm going to embed that slide presentation. Make sure my cursor is down below here so it embeds where I want it to. Go to Insert, Drive. I'm going to go down to Presentation. And from there it is. It's the first one. My test delete. Okay. When I click on it, select. Now, I've already messed around with this before. I know I want it to be a large size since it's going to be the only thing on my website. Sorry, on this web page. I'm going to click Save. I like to center it too, so with that, I'll click the blue Save button to see what it looks like. Let me check it out. Alright, perfect size. Could have changed the name to Weekly Homework. That's fine. Monday, August 8th. And they can just click through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now I'm just going to click back over to my drive. And here, I know we don't have school on Monday, August 8th, so I'm going to put no school. Not on Tuesday either, or Wednesday. Thursday, first day of school. You really want to just hammer it to the students and let them know who's boss. An hour of reading and write an essay. Math, numbers 1 through 100. Alright, I guess I'll give them Friday off. But I'm not pressing the save button. I don't have to press anything in here. I just needed to type and change whatever I needed to change. I can go back to my class website. And now I'm the parent that loads it up that evening. They'll come here and they'll check it out. And look at that. Monday has no school. Tuesday no school. Wednesday no school. Thursday. Oh my goodness, I need to get my kid out of this class. Alright, and Friday. So it's there. I didn't have to change anything. I, the teacher, never had to go into my class website and change anything at all. I didn't have to edit, nothing. Just go to my drive really quick, type the homework in, that's it. Alright, the next step to add a little more functionality is go to the calendar. Now, with this, you can go, if your school has it, you can go, I know Kings River Hardwick does, you can go to the school calendar and you can just go up here and copy the web address of your school website's calendar. So this has all those big dates that parents want to see. And then you can go in and add a link to it. Now I already did that, just named it school calendar. So I'll show you what I did. I typed school calendar. Then I highlighted it. I went up to the link. And it's not a site page, it's a web address. So the text to display is school calendar, and the link, I'm going to paste it in there, kingsriverhardwick.com/events. Click OK. And I can save that. So right there, you know, gives them a school calendar. That's always something I hear every year is, you know, what date is this? What date is Calico? Do you know? Well, our school has that calendar now. I can link it to them from my class website. But that's not very personal. It doesn't tell anybody, though, maybe there's some cool personal stuff going on in my classroom, events, presentations, parties, whatever that maybe parents want to know about, or our class field trip, whatever. So to do that, we can go create a Google Calendar, and it doesn't take long at all. So I find Google Calendar by just typing Google Calendar up here, and it pops right up. My Google Calendar pops right up. Now, I just want one specific calendar to show up on my class website. I don't want personal website, anything like that. So what I need to do is create a new website, or sorry, a new calendar specifically for my class. I already have one here named School, but I'll show you how I did it. You go to My Calendars, you click that down arrow and create a new calendar. For this one, Test Delete. Ignore School Calendar to School. This is a very important step. You want this to be public, so share this calendar with others. You want to click that check mark, and you want to say make this public, or it's going to be a useless calendar. No one's going to be able to see anything. From there, you want to click the Create Calendar button. Yes, I want it to be visible to everyone on the planet. Sounds good to me. All right, from there, you can be really nice. I did. It took about 10 minutes, and I added all these dates onto the embedded calendar. So it's really simple. But this also gives me now an extra calendar to type in stuff. Like maybe on August the 19th, I'm going to have a class party. And I can edit the event for the specific time. It's not going to be all day. That'd be a fun Friday. It's going to be from 1 to 2. And parents are invited. So I can save that. I'm going to save that to, I'm in my Test Delete calendar, so it's saving right to my Test Delete. This is going to be the one that's going to be embedded to my class website, Class Party. Also, what's not on this calendar is I have a minimum day every single Wednesday in my class. That's not on this calendar. So I can go ahead, the first minimum day is going to be Wednesday, August 17th. And I want to create an event for August 17th. It's not going to be all day. Our minimum days are from 8 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Now, it would take forever if I had to type that in for every single Wednesday. But I can click this repeat button here. This is going to repeat on every Wednesday up until so maybe June. The last Wednesday is May 31st. So I'm going to click done there. And this now will show up, minimum day, will show up on every Wednesday in my calendar from 8/17 till May 31st. And I'm going to click save. And there it pops up. That's an awesome, awesome feature that's going to save you a lot of time. And I know for a fact, though, we're not going to have school on Wednesday, November 23rd, because that'll be Thanksgiving break. So I can just click it and delete. It's going to say, do you want to delete everything after this too? No, just this one. There you go. Oh, I know we're not going to have it on the 21st of December because we will be on Christmas vacation, I think. So, oops. I want to just click on minimum day, delete, only the assistant, whatever. So it's very simple. I can personalize this. It's not just what you're going to get from your school website. Maybe your school website doesn't really have one, or it's not easily accessible. Well, there you go. You've just taken the extra step to put in another piece that will help parents and help you keep everything organized. So from here, click that pencil again. I want to embed that calendar that I just created. So I'll make sure my cursor's blinking down there. I'm going to insert calendar. I want to find the one I want to insert, just the Test Delete one, the one I just made. All of this sounds great. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to click Save. And let's see what happens. There's my website. So there's my calendar on my website. There's my class party. Parents are invited. There's a minimum day. Oh, when are minimum days? I have to set up transportation. I forget what time they actually get out. Oh, they get out at 12:45. So this adds information that parents, maybe are looking for, maybe are emailing you or calling calling the office, whatever, you can make this a one-stop shop for them. So they have the calendar there, we've added homework, and we've added some hyperlinks to our front home page. The next step, because our website is still a little plain, we want to add a personalized banner up here, and we can change the background color. It's a quick, easy step to really add a final touch to your class website.